giving a bullish view at this point of time does sound a little stupid, especially when we are sitting on such great returns. So to sound intelligent, one has to be a little skeptical, a little circumspect. No, but honestly, with every passing day, as the market doesn't correct, the probability of a correction increases. But everybody is playing a different game. You have to understand. The brokers have their clients whom they have to make their portfolio churn. We are here not to churn our portfolio. We are here to create wealth. Buying right and sitting tight is essentially what we aspire to do. So usually I get this question from our clients: is this the right time to invest in the market? I usually flip it to them and I invert and say, is this absolutely the wrong time to be investing? And when I do that, the answer that I come up with is a resounding no. It is not an absolutely wrong time to be investing. Of course, you have to expand your horizon and you have to temper your expectations of return, because we are sitting on a rally. So the journey of the 100 rupees that you invest at this point of time might not look like 100 going to 200 in straight line over the next 3 years, but it can be 100 going to 70 going to 200 over the next 3, maybe 4 years. So that is how I explain to my clients that temper your expectations, expand your horizon, but stay bullish. Resoundingly and in a emphatic manner, stay bullish. The opportunities are just starting and expanding in India, and there is a likelihood that this economic cycle can last longer and expand even more over the next few years. So don't be panicky and don't try to be too cute in trying to time the correction. We could have had the same discussion 6-8 months back, and we could have reached the same conclusion. I mean, obviously 8 months have gone by and the returns have been fantastic. So I believe at some point of time the naysayers will be right, and there will be a correction and a drawdown. One can't avoid that. That is a feature of the market. That's not a bug. And but you have to keep your eyes on the price, which is the larger picture. That the Indian economic cycle is just about reviving, and it is whatever boom has been happening till now is not a debt-fueled boom. So we are not sitting on an imminent crash. You will get your chances, but you can possibly get a better entry point. I don't deny that. But from a 3-year to 5-year outlook point of view, I think we have to stay bullish.